In Fulton County, Georgia, Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee rejecting the argument from Trump's attorneys that his effort to overturn his 2020 defeat in Georgia was political speech protected by the First Amendment. The judge writing, quote, "The court finds that the defendant's expressions in speech are alleged to have been made in furtherance of criminal activity."
Was this sort of a long shot effort to get the case dismissed on First Amendment, or were Trump's lawyers sort of banking on this?
It was a bit of a long shot. I don't think they were banking on it. It was certainly something to try.
John Acevedo is a professor at the Emory University School of Law, specializing in criminal law and the First Amendment.
What the judge pointed out was they're not being charged with just speaking. They're being charged with speaking in furtherance of a criminal enterprise, and what's being criminalized is the criminal enterprise, not the speech.
Trump lawyer Steve Sadow responding that Trump's attorneys respectfully disagree with the judge, arguing at a hearing last month that Trump's actions were, quote, core political speech. Acevedo says the rejection of this motion means jury selection for the trial could start as soon as August, although he thinks it's very unlikely that we'd see a verdict before Election Day.
Meanwhile, in Florida, federal judge Eileen Cannon rejected an attempt by Trump's lawyers to dismiss charges connected to his handling of classified documents.
Judge Cannon didn't buy the defense arguments that Trump was allowed to have the documents at his Mar-a-Lago club under the Presidential Records Act. And yet Trump defended Cannon, who has been at odds with special counsel Jack Smith. Late Tuesday, Smith issued a scathing critique of Cannon's proposed jury instructions, saying that they were based on a, quote, fundamentally flawed legal premise. Trump writing on Thursday that Smith should be punished, declaring he's a lowlife who was nasty, rude, and condescending, and obviously trying to play the ref. In Washington, I'm Evan Koslof, Spectrum News.